How to fix Instagram highlight glitch on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open a Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Then just click update if you found it. Here it's easy, and after that just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, then turn off your Wi-Fi and now close your Instagram and turn it on again. Then open your Instagram, and if that also doesn't fix it, now just restart your phone and try again. And now your problem must be fixed. And if you have an Android, you can just go to settings, apps, and apps again, type here Instagram and click on it. Now click force stop and go to storage clear cache. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.